used to be in Newtonian times, there was almost like a God frame where everything was measured and everything was, this is the way it is. Einstein came along and said, actually, everybody's point of view is equally as valid as each other's. So what I measure is equally as valid as what you see. My name is Phil Jess, originally from Belfast, but now I live and work at the University of St Andrews on the east coast of Scotland. My FameLab journey so far is, it really started in Belfast, and I kind of heard about it through an email somebody sent me. And I think when you're passionate about something and you love your science, you kind of want to share it with people, sometimes whether they like it or not. Haunted houses, ghosts and spirits have always fascinated mankind, but what can science tell us about these strange spectres? Are they really spirits, are the result of some tragic event, or are they merely a fiction of the mind? New research in Germany has pointed to the fact that ghosts are nothing but dreaming while we're still awake, projecting a terrifying and ghoulish image into our woken world. You become a scientist because you really want to change the world and you want to find out how stuff works. And a lot of us were really driven to do things that really change the world and make a difference to people's lives and make things better. I think obviously you want to tell people about it, how their lives are better, rather than just staying in your lab and just keeping it all to yourself. You know, you tell people how it's going, where it's going, and really what a great future people can look forward to through science. He starts pouring the Guinness. Now, I don't know if you drink Guinness yourself, but one of the things they do is whenever the barman pours it, he doesn't actually give it to you. He makes you wait to have your Guinness. It's kind of like a masochistic drink. You pay for it, but you don't get it. I don't think everybody wants to know about the fine details of the Maxwell equations, you know, stuff that even puts seasoned scientists to sleep. But there's such great implication from science, and people are fascinated by the world of science, you know, the fantastic world of Doctor Who. A lot of that's based on science and Einstein's relativity and how he moves around. And that stuff's maybe really possible in the future. And I think you don't have to know everything about the biggest equations in the world. You can always learn something a little bit about it and find out really what it means for you and what really cool stuff science can really do. How exactly do you get a camel through the eye of the needle? Well, if we're going to find out, we'll have to turn to something a little bit more strange, because Humpy is not getting through the eye of this needle anytime soon. See, I want to introduce you to my friend, Q. Now, Q is a quantum camel, and he comes from the world of quantum mechanics, which deals with the very small as a very strange place. The strangest thing to come out of it is that particles and things, they're not really things, they're just a collection of energy in space. So the strange thing is, this energy can sometimes behave like a particle, like a snooker ball on a snooker table, or a wave, like the ripples on the surface of a pond. In terms of the final, I think I'll just keep going with what I've been doing so far. Nothing too complicated, maybe just a little bit of kitchen science again. I'm just trying to work something out. Hopefully not too last minute.